this is an experiment. Colors change each time you go to the home page. Just show you what I mean by that. So, you keep changing colors so the users can decide which color they like and set that as a setting. Experiment, I say, because we know some people don't like that, so we're trying that. There's two ways to navigate websites. One is through a shortcut that you see right here, and the other one is through the URL bar. And we've categorized the shortcuts in categories like Connect, which means Twitter, Facebook, Gmail, for example.
What are you calling these? I'm sorry, Sharp.
Connect as an example.
No, Sharp. What did you say before?
Bookmarks. Shortcuts.
Shortcuts.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I wasn't sure. Okay, so is this user customizable?
User can add on to this, yes. Have Fun is basically your video site, your music site, stuff like that. And if I scroll, I see things like Be Informed, your New York Times, Reuters. Obviously, PC Magazine is supposed to be there. I don't know what they did with this, but more apps like Google Docs, Yahoo, PayPal, and stuff like that.
Yeah, just we should be first. Just
yeah, no, I make sure that. Yeah,
right.
yeah.
If that happens to push CNET off, that's okay.
But yeah, CNET is not there, so. So I'm going to click on one of the sites. So let's say I click on Twitter, for example. It's going to load. Again, the caveat is the Wi-Fi network that you see here. So that's Twitter. And to get back to my home page, there's one very simple gesture, which is pinch out. So you are in a certain environment. If you want to get out of it, your home page, you just use this gesture called pinch out. I'm just going to do that right now. And you find that you're back on your home page again. And if you want to see your open tabs, I do a pinch in. So I do that again.
So the reason that it keeps, we've seen green, we've seen
pink,
purple, and
orange.
Is it just randomly going through those each time you go through the home page?
Yeah,
or
it's random at the moment.
But
So
you can
also
totally turn that off.
you can totally turn that off, and that's an experiment right now. So,
How has the feedback been so far?
well, we have got both ends of it. People who
Okay.
hates it and people
Yeah.
who thinks it's cool. But
Yeah.
But
That's why it's an option, right?
yeah, that's right. So I'm in the tab mode right now, and if I want to scroll.